yes, the pulsars will actually work wonderfully if you keep them in a bag with a phone. And I haven't thought about that use case before, so thanks for bringing it up. How about I just show everybody exactly how well they work for this? I have my test set up here with my phone, a test amplifier, and one of our Halo Pulse units. And I'll turn on the amplifier. I'll move the pickup away so we don't get feedback. Turn that up, and I'll show you that my phone is in fact on, and we'll test that out. And you can plainly hear that what is normally emitted from a phone is pretty damn horrible. So now I'll grab the Halo Pulse unit, and I will turn it on to the Schumann frequency, which is switch 1 and 3. This is the bass harmonic for the Schumann frequency, 7.8 hertz. Test that out by pressing the button, and the light lights up, and then we can bring this in, and you can plainly see that it is working correctly. Once again, we'll test out the phone, and you can hear all the nastiness coming off that. And we'll take the pulsar, put it right on the phone, and you can very clearly see that the pulsar is blocking out everything from the phone. The only signal that's coming through is that 7.8 hertz from the pulsar. Now we'll do the same demonstration with the bag. I've got my backpack here, and the phone is still turned on, so I will put the phone inside here, right there, and we'll test that out. You got all that nastiness coming right through the backpack. The Halo Pulse is still turned on to 7.8 hertz. And when we put the Halo Pulse in with the phone, the only thing you get coming through the bag is the Halo Pulse. Once again, it is blocking the frequencies from the phone, and all you have is the 7.8 hertz. You are absolutely correct to be worried about having a phone in such close proximity, in a fanny pack, in a purse, in a pocket. We carry them around all day, and all they do is irradiate us 24/7. And one of the pioneers in this field that exposed this was Dr. Robert O. Becker. And in his books, The Body Electric and Cross Currents, he goes very deep into the correlations and causative factors where electromagnetic frequencies are causing cancer and ADHD, autism, nervous disorders, everything you can imagine. And the fact that we don't take this more seriously as a society is terrifying.